Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make YouTube videos without showing your face and giving you a passive affiliate auto webinar review. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, what I found in ClickBank is if you go to advanced search right here, and I put in YouTube just to see what courses would come up. And interestingly enough, I scrolled down and found a product that there's really no gravity score on. Is it 0? I'm not sure. Yeah, the gravity is 0. So I'm not sure how long this product has been out, but I will tell you it is a very good product. So I wanted to review it and let you guys know about it. It's an hour-and-a-half webinar that I sat through, and I'm just going to give you a review of it. Even if you don't purchase the product, I think the webinar would be of great value to you, especially if you're somebody who doesn't have a lot of time and does not want to put your face on video. So this passive affiliate auto webinar is created by Andy Hefele. And he is a very successful YouTube marketer. He told his story about how he first started out and he completely quit everything. He had a website, and then when he came back, he saw his YouTube channel was just taken off. And so it's his story of how he was able to make his YouTube channel very, very successful and not spend a lot of time doing it. So what he teaches on here are 3 secrets. The first one is how to find affiliate products that sell themselves and how to quickly attract buyers without doing keyword research. So he teaches a strategy where you don't look for keywords, you actually get on the related. There's 3 different categories that he got the most views from. The third one was YouTube search, which is using keyword research. The other 2, I can't remember the top one, but the second one was recommended videos. So when somebody is searching a specific keyword and you show up on the right hand side, and that's what he shows you how to do, so you don't have to worry about keyword research at all. And his method is piggybacking, so I'll talk about that here in just a minute. But the second secret is how to make viral videos with PowerPoint in your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. So this is where he has these templates, and he shows you exactly the strategy on how to do that and how to get affiliate sales without putting your face on video. And the third one is how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, which is the snowball effect. Talk about that here in just a minute. Before we get to this, let me just show you an example of piggybacking. So you find videos that are already doing well, and then you model after them. You don't copy them, but you make them, you use the kind of the general idea of what they're talking about, but you make yours better. Here's a great example. And he shows this example in the webinar, but Andy's video, he said he found somebody who was making money reading books, I think it was, and he made this video. Well, a short time after, you can see this is 5 months ago, and then 4 months ago, really popular YouTuber Kevin David modeled after this exact same video. I'm not sure why he has the exact same title, because it's better to have a different title. But so you can see that Kevin David is using this exact strategy of piggybacking off of videos that are already getting a lot of views, and that's what Andy teaches in this webinar. And the upside, and he talks about excuse me, also having the ability to outsource, which is number 2 here, in doing things that take a lot less time than what a lot of people are spending on doing their videos. But the upside of having a passive affiliate channel is you're working on your business and not in it. You don't have to be entertaining. You don't have to be on camera. You can scale extremely fast. And he shows a lot of examples of his students, and I know almost all of these students, and I know they're doing really well on YouTube, so this is really exciting. And you can do this yourself for free, or you can hire a team and outsource everything for you. And you can get it down to 1 day per month that you're doing work, so that's pretty cool. You don't have to, all the things that you would have to do is come up with the titles, and that's it. So he shows the perfect video template, and then how to have a call to action to your affiliate product or a link to your free offer. And you can outsource all of this. And these videos get a lot of views. So if you know how to structure your videos, you can really do well. And again, I saw actually one person I knew just a while back was doing pretty well with YouTube, but he's one of his students, and I see his channel is just really blown up. And he shows how to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, the snowball system, which is the YouTube comment strategy. And he shows the right way and the wrong way to do it. This is an example. Let me show you here in just a second. But what he tells you is you have to have a curiosity-based channel name, so that when someone sees your comment, they're like, oh, that looks like an interesting channel, and they go to your channel. And you have to do it in obviously your audience, subscribe and tick the bell notification, and comment fast every time a new video is out so that your comment gets seen right away. But this is an example that he gave of a great channel that is doing this exact strategy and getting a lot of subscribers this way. But you can see if you go to his channel, this is really interesting, and you would want to subscribe to this. And he shows some examples of channels that are not doing well with this strategy. So that's a great example there. And so what you're going to learn in the master class is YouTube and affiliate marketing, red hot niche and high paying affiliate programs, passive affiliate video mastery, so you're not having to spend all day doing videos, maybe just like 1 day a month, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, automatic video factory, and money funnels. And again, it's very exciting to see the before and after of a lot of his students, which I do know a lot of these students, and how they were doing, and then what they've done since they've taken his course here and he's worked with them. So who this has worked for is people starting out with no subscribers at all, affiliate marketers that want more passive income and to get high quality traffic, already successful YouTubers that want to scale fast and make more money. So he showed examples of people who had like a lot of subscribers and a lot of views but weren't making any money, and then after he started working with them, how they were able to start making money. Product creators that want more passive income, so not spending so much time doing YouTube videos but really making it more passive, and have money but don't know where to invest. So that's who this course is for. And after I watched this hour-and-a-half webinar, I thought, for sure this is probably going to be like a $997 product. It is not. It's a lot less than that. But let me just show you the checkout page here, what is included in the course. And it is $297, which I thought was really good value for what you're going to get, which is a 6-week passive affiliate masterclass. The bonuses here, the copy and paste scripts and templates, so you don't really have to figure out what to say. There's just copy and paste, and for different niches as well. Passive affiliate startup pack, complete YouTube channel design. So that's super important to have the right design on your channel that people are going to subscribe and continue to watch your videos. First 100 subscribers shortcut, 30-day success checklist, copy and paste hiring scripts, so if you're going to outsource it. And then passive affiliate tribe. This is a mastermind with Andy where you can get all your questions answered and just mastermind with other people. So it is $297. And I do think it is a good value in this course that I went through. And like I said, though, even if you just watch the hour-and-a-half webinar, he gives tons of value in there. You can learn a lot of things on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to scale it and make more sales. Also, just get more subscribers. His strategy on YouTube commenting. So I'm going to leave a link down below that you can get access to this webinar. So I hope you guys found some value in how to make YouTube videos without showing your face, because I think a lot of people do have a problem with that. If you did get some value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you do want to attend the passive affiliate auto webinar with Andy Hefele, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you have any comments, make sure you leave them in the comments below. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.